What's up guys, I'm Zach and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out something super special to me and especially someone who's getting into the tactical sort of elements of wearing of sneakers. We're going to be checking out the Salomon ACS Pro Advanced sneaker. Sounds super tactical in the name and it definitely matches the sneaker when you throw them on feet. With that being said, let's get straight into the video and show you what these sneakers look like. First of all, getting into the sneakers, of course, I'm going to be showing you what they look like on feet, and you will get an uncut portion of that towards the end of the video as well. With these sneakers, they are super tactical to the look. Of course, you can see that throughout the design of this sneaker. Something that I will mention straight off the bat that I loved about the sneaker, something about me is that I just hate lacing sneakers. I will lace them once I pick them up, and that is it. After that, I will be slipping them on and off. And something I did enjoy about this design is the fact that you've actually got that sort of nylon draw cord that you can extend forward and backwards onto this sneaker, which means you can just throw your foot in, foot out, and lock them in quite quickly. You don't need to unlace, you don't need to tie it. It is fantastic and it's something that I thoroughly enjoyed throughout wearing this sneaker, especially considering I could throw them on and feel a little bit more locked in comparison to the other sneakers I wear, which are obviously a little bit more loosened because of the laces. And with this, I could just tighten it and I'm locked in for a whole day. Something else I also really enjoyed about the sneaker is how tactical it looks all around. Of course, you've got that great tread outsole, which means you can definitely wear this on hikes, bushwalks, any sort of adventures like that, and it is super breathable. That is something that I was very shocked about this sneaker, is that the mesh is very breathable. It's super lightweight all around, meaning you can wear this sneaker for hours without being uncomfortable. I did wear this with some tactical track pants. I did go out actually on a hike just to see what it would feel like, and these sneakers are fantastic. Now, I did pick up both variations of the colorways. I did pick up the classic white on white with a bit of cream mixed in there, and the triple black variation. I think they're both really sick. Personally, which one would I lean a little bit more towards? It would be the white variation, and just because I'm really on sort of a white shoe kick right now, I think they look really sick. Regardless, I think they are super nice. The comfortability of these sneakers is unmatched just because of how light breathable they are, as I previously mentioned. Quickly interrupting this segment of the video to mention the sponsor of this video, you guys. Unfortunately, I'm not big enough to have a sponsor nowadays, which means that I am relying on you guys to like the video down below, show your support, comment down below if you have any questions, and it just goes a long way in supporting me to make more content for you guys. So that being said, we'll get straight back in the video. Make sure to like down below. Let's go. Now, something I know a lot of you guys will be wondering is how is sizing, and that is something I did have pressing on my mind originally when I picked up this sneaker. Now, I did pick these up in a size US 12, which is a 45, and they fit perfectly. Typically, I am a size 45 in a lot of designer sneakers and a size US 12 in Nike and Jordan silhouettes, and these fit perfectly. So if you are contemplating on picking one of these sneakers, I do recommend that you guys go true to size. That is the best fit for you guys. If you are in between sizes, I would perhaps recommend that you size up just because of that lace look. You can definitely tighten these guys right up so you are locked in regardless. In terms of quality, and that was a big question for me, especially considering the price point is a little bit more higher, a little bit more elevated than I typically would purchase for a sneaker straight off the bat, especially considering I hadn't actually purchased anything from the Salomon brand at this time. Now, the hefty sort of $320 price that I paid, is it worth it? In my opinion, yes. I wouldn't pick up two sneakers as I have for this video, but for one sneaker, I definitely think it would be worth it. You are getting a good return for the bang to buck ratio, as I like to say. In terms of quality and what actual materials you are getting on this silhouette, you are getting a synthetic nylon, which comprises most of the sneaker. You are getting that breathable mesh, as I previously mentioned, and of course that durable outsole, which means you can wear it throughout the day without worrying about it falling apart or not being durable enough to support whatever tasks you are going through. And my overall opinion of both these silhouettes is that they're just honestly both sick, and I think they are fantastic. Obviously, I said I'm leaning a little bit more towards the white pair comparison to the black pair, but I think regardless, they are fantastic. I love that lace lock, and it definitely locks you into place. And of course, as I mentioned, they are also true to size. Now, if you guys had any questions that I didn't answer throughout this video, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below. I am quite quick in replying to a lot of your questions, so feel free to just drop them down and I should respond within a day or two. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video and you want to see more content from me, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe down below, as it means the world to me, especially the like. Like goes a long way, guys. With that being said, I'll leave you with some on-foot footage of what these sneakers look like on feet and wearing them with some pants, and I hope you guys enjoyed. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video. See you guys.